Hey there, web wizards! My name is Ashley and I am a product manager at Webpushr. So you want to keep your audience engaged with some fancy push notifications? Awesome choice! Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Webpushr with your WordPress site using our WordPress plugin. Our WordPress plugin makes integration a breeze and offers highly intuitive configuration settings that allow you to fully automate push notifications every time you publish a new post. That's right! Our WordPress plugin offers complete automation of push notifications, so you stay busy publishing awesome content while Webpushr takes care of sending push notifications silently in the background. And guess what? Setting up WordPress plugin is super simple. Let's jump right in. Step 1. You want to make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. Head over to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Now, in the search bar, type in Webpushr, and there it is. Click on the Install Now button, and once it's installed, make sure you activate the plugin. There are two ways of activating our plugin. One is by using an API key. You can get this by creating an account on Webpushr and registering your site. Make sure you select your site as a WordPress site while registering. It's also important that the domain name is typed in correctly as it is used for authentication purposes. Once you've registered your site, you will be given an API key. Just copy and paste this key into the plugin and you'll be all set. The second method is our simple one-step activation. Only use this if you don't have an account already created on webpushr.com. Once you click on our one-click activation button, you'll see a simple form. Go ahead and enter your name, email address, and a password. Make sure you remember your credentials as you will use these to later sign into your Webpushr dashboard. So, there you have it. In a single step, your Webpushr plugin is fully active. We ship our plugin with default settings that are good to go for most publishers, but you may want to tweak some things to best suit your business needs. For example, if you want us to automatically send a push notification out every time you publish a new post, then you may want to turn that setting on. Once the plugin is activated, you can check if the plugin is successfully installed and active by going to your home page. You'll know the integration is successful if you're able to see the opt-in prompts. You're always welcome to reach out to us with questions or concerns. And please like this video and leave your comments if you found the video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and tips. Until next time, happy web crafting!